What's up, insiders? Juices Jack, vapinginsider.com. Today we're going to be going over a little toolkit. Going to be a quick video. I'm talking about the Thunderhead Creations Jack's toolkit. Basically, a traveling type of kit, the type of kit you stick in your bag. Before we get into the video, a couple of days ago, we hit 25,000 subs. We're giving you a huge giveaway. We're going to have 5, yes, count them, 5 separate prizes, and there's going to be 8 winners in total. So make sure you go over to our Facebook group and you join up over there because the giveaway is going to be over there. Nice case, man. Got like a soft little rubbery feel to it, all right? Nice zippers. You know, they work nice. I definitely like that, all right? Very, very compact, easy to put this in a bag. Open up the case, and this is a bare bones case, which I kind of like when I'm traveling, all right? You can see you got a scissor, coiling rod, ceramic tweezers. You have a screwdriver here with a bunch of bits that I'll go over in a second. You got some Kanthal wire, some mini clippers, and some cotton. We're going to go over them all in detail right now, all right? First thing you have, you've got these little scissors right here. They got a nice snip to them. They're nice and sharp. They do the job. No issues with them. Then you got this nice coiling rod right here. This is the type of coiling rod I always use. It tapers up. It goes from 1.5 millimeters all the way up to 3.5 millimeters. So that's nice. Here is an invaluable tool for every vapor. This is a ceramic tweezers. This is so you can scrape the hot spots out of your coils while firing. They do have a nice feel to them. No issues with these whatsoever. Here's your screwdriver. It has a pen-style clip, some knurling over here. That's where your bit goes, okay? Has a screw off top right here like that, all right? And check this out. Look at that, man. Look at all those bits. But the one problem is they're all Phillips or flathead bits, okay? None of them are a hex key. I would have rather have had 2 flatheads, 2 Phillips, and give me 2 hex keys. Give me a 1.3 millimeter and give me a 1.5 millimeter, and I would have been good to go. We're going to keep this one out, all right, and we're going to put the rest back in there. Put our top cap back on, and let me show you how you put the bit in. You put the bit in just like that. There's no screw, there's no nothing. It's got a little bit of a magnet. Yeah, you can hear it, see? See that? A little bit of a magnet. It's not too strong, not terrible. This will get you through if you got to build in an emergency. No issues with this at all. The only issue is I wish they would have added 2 hex key bits. Here are your mini clippers, all right? They are spring loaded. You got that little lock right there. You can lock them and unlock them. You can lock them in the closed position just by doing that. Nice clippers. I've used them. They do the job. They're fine for when you're traveling. No issues at all. Here's your little bag of cotton pads. Good to have in case you got to re-wick on the road. And here's the Kanthal wire that they give you. To be honest with you, I'm not even going to keep this in the kit. I'm just going to throw some pre-made coils in the kit for when I use it. But it's a nice little touch for people who wrap their own coils. Overall, I got to say, man, it's a nice little kit. It's got almost everything you need, sans the hex bits. But the way I would handle that situation is I would just take one of those tri-tools that you get in all the atomizers, and I would get rid of the Kanthal wire and drop a tri-tool in here. And then you'll basically handle any situation you have to handle on the road as far as building an atomizer goes. Overall, really nice, complete, compact kit. All right, insiders, we're back on top. Not really going to go over cons and pros today because it's just a simple little toolkit. I use it as a travel toolkit. It's been in my bag. I've been using it, you know, when I commute and stuff like that. I think it's a pretty complete toolkit. I wish they would have included a 1.3 millimeter and a 1.5 millimeter hex driver. You know, we all get all these tanks and everything. It's easy enough for you to drop a tri-tool in there to cover that, but it would have been nice if they gave you the bits for that in the screwdriver kit. I think that would have made this kit a lot more complete. I gotta say though, I like it. I like the compactness of it. You know, you got enough room in there to throw in a couple of sets of coils if you want to. You can carry some wire with you if you want to. I do like the little kit. It works well. It's simple. It's effective. If you're in need of a travel type of kit or something that you want to keep in your car, like in the glove compartment, or something that you want to keep in your all-day carry bag, this is definitely a very viable option. Make sure you check out the link down below. Don't forget, insiders, we cannot let up. It's still time for us to fight for our right to vape. Make sure you are active on social media. Tweet at your local legislators. Call them. Email them. You see them in the neighborhood? Get in their face, man. Let them know you vape, you vote, and you will not take this lying down. They got to know that their constituents care about this issue. Make sure you head on over to our Facebook group if you want to keep up with all the latest vaping news and advocacy. We have a very active group over there. Lots of great people, no drama. Everybody is really nice. We're always looking to help each other out. It's just a great group of knowledgeable vapors. I highly recommend it. Head on over there. We'll have a link down below. Join up. I promise you won't be sorry. And that's it, insiders. That's all I got for you today. You, yeah, you keep living that vape life. We're out of here. Deuces.